Hello factory family, Jason here with Factory Reproductions, coming back to you on the YouTube channel with the C706 replica wheels. Our FR22 replica C706s come in 8 different sizes. Can fit Corvettes from 1984 all the way to the current C8 Corvettes. The sizes we make: 17.8.5, 18.8.5, 18.9.5, 19.8.5, 19.10, 20 by 10, and 20 by 12s. The C4 84 through 87 Corvette, you can put an 18.9.5 with the 40 offset on there, fit perfectly with a 275/35 tire or 285/35 18-inch tire. Now, the C4s also have 88 through 1993. A lot of them came with 17.9.5s all the way around, and a lot of them came with 17.8.5 and 17.9.5s. You can do several different sizes on that one. Best to reach us at Factory Reproductions to figure out what sizes you want to go with on that one. Now the C6s, we have all the sizes for the C6s. There's 18.8.5 1910s, there's 18.9.5 1912s, there's 1910 2012s. As a matter of fact, this is a 1910. And that beautiful girl right there, should put my back to the camera, is a 19 by 12. And on the C6s, you can use the stock tires on there. And a lot of people like to upgrade, go a little bit wider to a 265/35/19 and 305/30/20 on those. So there's a lot of stuff that can work out on that C6 sizes. C7s. C7 comes several different sizes also. There's the C7 base, C7 Z51, C7 Grand Sport, C7 Z06. We have all those sizes in stock, in the chromes. 1910 2012s are here. We also have gloss blacks. We have stock sizes that we'll work on there. We have all those 99% of the time in stock. These also fit on the C8s. Now the C8 comes 19.8.5 and a 20 by 11 with a 285 and a 245 and a 305 tire. But you could actually upgrade to the 1910 2012 on that and run the 285 and 325 tires on those. That's going to wrap it up on the FR22 C706 replicas. Now, you can reach me directly at jason@factoryreproductions.com or the phone number below. Me and any of the other salesmen can help you out with fitments on your Corvette. There's a lot of information out there on the Corvettes on what you want to do, what you can do, what you can't do. So please feel free to reach out at any time. Remember to follow us on all of our other socials at Factory Reproductions. Jason here signing off. Factory Reproductions, making you fall in love with your ride all over.